before the whole package. Now we have a key. We take directly the implant with the key. We put in the side and with the ratchet, I use this side. Okay? It's very easy.
You can use no speed.
I show because there is a drive, but I repeat, it's very important to have idea clear. Inside, in the package, there is a cover screw. When I use cover screw when, for example, I have the denture of the patient up the implant. In this case, you don't need to, it's important to have a pressure of the base of the implant, and I use the cover screw. Another question very important. If I use platform switching, I need gingiva. I told before, no? If I put the implant up or to bone level, the gingiva can be resolved. For this it's very important to put the implant minimum 1 millimeter inside of the bone. For this reason, the kit of B&B dental have a stop 8, 10, 12, the same length of the implant, but inside there is 9, 11, 13 and 15. In order you can put 1 millimeter more inside the implant. Okay?
Does it mean that we need to drill more deep?
Yes, 1 millimeter more. You put the stop. If I use 10, for example, I put the stop 11. And I prepare 1 millimeter more. Okay? Or some doctors want to put 2 millimeter. In this case, we use 12. And you have all the stop to choose the insertion of the kit. Okay? Can I take away? Very good. Thank you. Inside of the back, there is another gingiva formula. In PTFA, there is another gingiva formula in PTFA. How we can use? If you have all the teeth, the stability is very high, I put directly gingiva formula and I stitch the flap around without the second surgery. But only when I have protection. If I don't have protection, it's not possible to use because if I have a denture up, the pressure up of the gingiva formula can move the implant and I lose the implant. Okay, for this it's very important to use only when stability is high and there is protection of another teeth. Okay? Or, this is very important, I can do use in the second stage when I reopen the implant as gingiva formula. Okay? Or I use directly on the second stage as a gingiva formula. Because in the package you have the cover screw and gingiva formula of length 2. Sometimes the gingiva is very high, you need to buy the gingiva formula bigger, longer. Okay? Okay. Sorry. Repeat, yes. The flap always open in the center. In the center of the ridge, I cut the ridge. And laterally, I open until we see very well the thickness of the bone. The speed, 500, 800, until 1000, when the bone is too much hard. Why? Because this is the first drill, the work in the bone very compact. And generally 8000